On Thursday, oil opened the trade with gains. The emerging market and commodity currencies, including the ruble, are steadily gaining ground. By midday, the ruble managed to win back early losses against the US dollar. Market sentiment is boosted by the data from China, which showed a rebound in crude imports. In the early trade, global oil prices were steadily rising after yesterday's drop. In the mid-session, the pace of growth slowed down for a while, but then Brent oil futures gained almost 4%. It seems that Brent is trying to retest the level of $32 per barrel or even above. Likewise, West Texas Intermediate is extending its rally. WTI oil futures for June were up by more than 6%. The US crude was last seen trading at $25.45 per barrel. Judging by the persisting uptrend in WTI, the sharp fluctuation of its price has come to an end. Last month, North American grade saw a rise by 6% and later plunged by 8%. However, traders remain cautious ahead of the June contract's expiration on May 19. Yesterday, the U.S. Energy Information Administration reported a rise in oil inventories, but market participants didn't seem to react to this news. This may signal that the bearish trend is losing momentum. Therefore, Brent is likely to break through the support level of $27 per barrel. According to both fundamental and technical factors, oil market will probably sustain the upward movement in the near future. Oil producing countries started to cut the output under the new OPEC Plus agreement. Besides, the US crude stockpiles are growing at a slower pace now. Today, Brent crude is expected to trade in the range of $29.31. On Wednesday, the ruble retreated against its American counterpart despite growing oil prices. Over the day, it lost more than 1% of its value. The ruble's decline can be explained by the actions of Russia's central bank. Recently, the regulator has decreased the volume of its currency interventions after rising crude prices. Today, however, the ruble has regained its ground and had partially won back its losses from Wednesday. The dollar-ruble pair was down by 1% in the early session and settled at the level of 73.70. The pair is still trading in the wide range of 72.70 and 75.50. Today, the ruble's trajectory is largely determined by the background information. The growing tensions between the United States and China, as well as the negative statistics of major economies, may weigh on the Russian currency. Another factor to push the ruble lower is the reduction of currency interventions carried out by the Bank of Russia. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals and see you on our channel in a couple of hours.